Imagine stepping outside, and the air feels like a giant hairdryer blowing in your face. That's summer in Coachella Valley for you. It's not just hot, it's summer energy-sapping hot. But fear not. In this video, we'll unveil smart strategies to keep you cool without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. When the heat cranks up in Coachella Valley, so does your air conditioner's workload. But is it keeping up without making your energy bills soar? Upgrading to an Energy Star-rated AC unit might just be the game changer you need. With higher SEER and EER ratings, Energy Star units cool efficiently, keeping your indoors comfy without emptying your wallet. Signs your air conditioner needs replacement include age, rising energy bills, frequent repairs, and poor performance. Upgrading means staying cool while being kinder to both the planet and your wallet. Let's talk about keeping your home chill without making your energy bills hit the roof. Everyday appliances can turn your home into a sauna. Keep doors and windows shut to trap cool air in and hot air out. Run appliances like dishwashers at night and use microwaves or grills instead of ovens to reduce heat indoors. Smart thermostats are your ally in saving money and staying cool. Adjust settings to save while you're away or asleep. Heat waves don't play fair, but we've got tricks up our sleeves. Ever thought about taking cold showers? Cold showers offer instant relief from summer heat, boost circulation, and improve mood. Use ceiling fans, wear light clothes, and stay hydrated to beat the heat without overworking your AC. Ceiling fans and proper ventilation are key to keeping your space cool while saving energy. Use ceiling fans counterclockwise and open windows for cross ventilation during cooler hours. Beating Coachella Valley's heat is no solo mission. It takes insight, readiness to adapt, and embracing unconventional methods.
One of the most important parts of your home's efficiency and comfort is the insulation. Oftentimes, we don't think about our insulation because it's behind walls and in ceilings, but it adds so much value to your home. If your home is 10, 15, 20 years old, or you've had work up in your attic, there's a good chance your insulation has been disturbed. You may need to update your insulation or get even all new insulation. The more insulation you have, the more healthy your home's going to be, the less energy it's going to be, and the more comfortable your house is going to be. But how do you find out if your insulation needs to be updated? Well, we have a solution, giving you the information you need to make a good, sound decision. Click below or call us at Anthem Air Conditioning, and we'll take care of your air conditioning and insulation needs.
With upgraded AC units, energy-efficient habits, cold showers, and smart ventilation, you can keep cool and save cash all summer long. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying cool and saving money. See you next time.